Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ghandi and this is a cross stitch channel where we talk about projects and fabrics and designs and all the adventures that we as stitchers have. And I am trying to record Stitch with me. I was struggling since last night, and I tried like 3 or 4 times, and I said, you know what, let's stitch better and record later. And today I start again and yeah, it was not easy, but let's hope that I can make a Flosstube and stitch with me. I am stitching this project that I start this weekend. It's a design from Katy. It's called A Study of Birds, and it's a really like funky and hippie design. I don't know, I love it. It's so different, and I don't know if could be considered this design as a sampler, because this is my year of sampler. But yeah, I decided that this is a sampler, so change my mind. But I decided also to adapt the original design, and I'm not going to put the words in the design. Instead, I'm going to try to put the full abecedary. So let me show you the design. Oh, it's so pretty. And I already did this egg and the swan, and I finished this egg, and hopefully I can stitch this bird today, and this is going to be gorgeous. But instead of these words, I'm going to put the ABC in this part and in this part, and I probably won't put the numbers. I don't know, I will decide it when I got there. So yeah, I'm really excited because it's a very quick stitch so far. So yeah, and I'm really exciting about the ABC. So I will try to finish this week. I don't have a frame for this because it's a little different, the size of the design. It's, I don't know if I can use like a standard frame, or perhaps I could look original way to finish it. I don't know, I will try to think in some way of fully finish this, because I think it's going to look lovely you know, next to all my samplers. So yeah, I'm stitching this in 38 40 count cotton fabric, and with one floss of CXC, and I'm really enjoying the combination of materials. The fabric, because I dyed this fabric and I bake it. It's really tight, so but it looks so cute you know, really small stitches, and overall the design, it's really pretty to stitch. So yeah, I'm enjoying very much this project. So oh, I'm sorry for the noise. Oops. I opened my window because it's really hot, so but the noises are, you know, loud. Sorry for that. And I just record a video in Spanish, and I was talking about the struggle of recording a video, and I mean I focus in another things, you know, in my stitching or the projects or the plans or my fabrics and my flosses, and because I have almost 250 videos in English and in Spanish, and every time I'm going to record a video, I just put my phone over you know, a base, or I have a base for the cell phone, but it's a little you know, clunky and not the best base. And then I place the cell phone over some books, and I hold it with a couple of you know, a glass or a candle, and you might think that Yanni, please put your act together and and you know, try to make your videos better, and I don't. And sorry, I'm not sorry, because I don't know, it's it's not something that I really care. It's like my back. It's not something that I really care, but yeah, I mean I make these videos because I love to share my love for cross stitch, and for this community, and for all the wonderful designers, and you know, the beautiful flosses and fabrics, and the ideas, and you know, the love that we share. So I don't pay much attention in my in the format of my videos. I'm sorry. Not really, but yeah. I hope you don't mind. And let's talk about cross stitch instead of technical aspects of the making of the videos. But also it's I usually invite the other stitchers, you know, to record this type of journal, you know, the stitching adventures, the stitching chronicles that we live, because it's great when we watch projects from another stitchers, and of course we want to stitch all the things like Christine, and it's great that we are able to see and to find all these treasures and all these adventures. And is thank you to these videos. And perhaps we are, you know, lacking in production, but we have a great deal of love and cross stitches. So yeah, please if you are in the, you know, thinking about doing a Flosstube or recording videos, or you feel like, you know, you don't have what do you need to start a Flosstube channel. I mean, I look at me. English is of course not my first language, and I don't really put that much importance to that aspect, because all I want to do is, you know, stitch with my friends, stitch with you. So if I can record Flosstube videos, of course you can do it. So it's always nice to find new channels and new friends and new stitchers, and we can all learn from each other. Sometimes we even share not just the stitchy parts, but our life in general. You know, we can learn so much. I sometimes show parts of my city or of my country, places that I visit. We have Michelle, farm girl stitcher, and she's so amazing, and I love to watch her videos because of her life in the with her goats, and in the farm, all the the things that she share, and it's so interesting to watch all these different stitchers and different channels. And of course I love to watch the projects and the designs, and there are stitchers who only share, you know, the stitchy part, and I love to watch them. Again, it's a joy to watch them, and you like their personalities and the way they have their projects, and sometimes you not particularly like the designs they choose, but you like the company. You know, they are so nice to be watching a stitchy friend, even though we don't sometimes stitch the same projects. But yeah, it has been a wonderful experience to have this opportunity to share through videos our journey as stitchers. And I was reading a comment from a stitchy friend, and she started watching my videos from episode 1, and oh my god. and she sent me a comment. In one of my first videos, I was showing my projects, and I was talking about how I prefer like Aida 14 or account 28, because even 32 was too high for me. Sorry. I have a call from my sister, my baby sister, and she lives in another city, and usually we talk, but yeah. We talk and talk and talk. I'm so sorry, but sorry not sorry. And the good thing is that I'm multitask, so I can be recording and or talking at the phone or watching a movie or something and stitch at the same time. So usually I make a lot of mistakes, but that's not the point. And I can do both activities or more at the same time. So yeah. I am already stitching this bird. It's I can't remember the name in English, but of course you know it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, really happy to hear my sister. I am 16 years older than her, so she's like my daughter. Carlitos and me were dating when she was like 3 or 4 years, and she was always with us, My mom always let her with me to take care of her, and yeah, it was fun sometimes to be with her all the time. But yeah, and we usually talk sometimes in the week, and yeah, it's really fun, because I'm the oldest of my siblings. I have a younger sister, and then my brother, and then my baby sister, and I guess I have a better relation or communication with my baby sister, better than I mean, I love my siblings, and I have great relation with them, but yeah, with my baby sister it's like a kind of a friendship, and yeah. So that's the thing. And yeah, we are 4 siblings, and I have 4 kids. So yeah. Coincidence? I don't think so. Okay, well, I have to go with Carlitos because I haven't seen him, and I can stitch a little bit later. So yeah, I hope I could put this video tonight, so we can stitch together and, you know, making company. I'm going to watch some movies. Oh, I watch the Tiger King on Netflix. Oh my god. It's so bizarre and so strange, and my god. Have you watched that? It's so weird, and I mean, yeah. We need a full episode of a Flosstube to talk about the Tiger King. Oh my god, that's, oh my god. So yeah, I'm going to go. Take care of yourselves. Be well and stitch. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Happy stitching.